Hello friends, today I am going to show you how did I make my Windows laptop faster. To give you this presentation, I have listed out few points. These points are say first SSD, then genuine Microsoft Windows, how you can activate that, then Microsoft update. You don't need any antivirus software. Then ransomware protection. Then I have tested with so many corrupted software programs to crash these Windows. Now let's start with SSD. SSD is the solid state drive. See, I have this laptop. Earlier I had one hard disk drive of 320 GB, and hard disk drive is very slow, so I have replaced with SSD. As you can see, uh, in the device manager option, I have already opened it. See, in the device manager you can see this CT250 MX500. Now I'll show you in Amazon where I have purchased this. This is the particular model. This is 2.5-inch SSD. This particular model comes from Crucial, and this particular model has a very good read write speed. And whenever if you purchase SSD solid state drive, you always consider the read and write speed so that you get a seamless experience. Now I have it is already installed in this computer. Now let's go again to the next step, that is genuine Microsoft Windows. For a good performance, what I have done, I have purchased one digital license from Lifetime Key. As I can from lifetimekey.in, but I am not directly recommending that site, although I took a risk to buy that buy the Windows 10 license from lifetimekey.in, but I took a risk. But I don't know how much how they are genuine, whether they will be giving you the license key on time or not. There's no guarantee, so I'm not recommending you. But if you want to take the risk and buy the Windows license at a very low price, then you can take the risk. Now I am showing you the site. It should be the site lifetimekey.in. From this site, it's not connected to internet. Anyway, let me try again to connect. Anyway, no problem. Luckily I have opened all the important web pages. So now I am showing you in the Windows activation section. See, when you open the settings, and in the activation section you will see the Windows 10 Pro, and this version of Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. See, now this license is linked to my Microsoft account. Now I am showing you my Microsoft account. In this Microsoft account, you can see when you will select this tab, you will see your license details. So you can deactivate it. If you want to register some other device also, you can use this. And for the next time also, whenever you want to reinstall Windows, then next time you don't have to enter the keys, enter the license key. Just you have to log in with your Microsoft account. Automatically it will be registered. Now see, in my account it is showing showing my laptop model also, Dell Inspiron N4010. So, and at the same time, see, here you get the option to unlink from Microsoft, so that you can install it on other device also. But I cannot give you this guarantee also whether you can register with other device or not. I can remember when I purchased that license, there was a condition that that in the same hardware, in the same machine, this license will be working. But I don't think that it is completely true. It should be working in other computer also, because this particular license is linked to your Microsoft account. Though therefore it should be device independent. But anyway, let's move to the next point. Microsoft update. This is very important. To make your system robust and secure, you should always update your Microsoft. As you can see, I am showing you, going again to the settings section. Yes, update and security. If you select this, see, this is downloading is 100% completed. It is installed, and so many important security updates. Like, see, Windows malicious software removal tool is also installed. So in case of Windows operating systems, if you need your Windows to work seamlessly without any issues, you need to update it continuously. You don't have to update manually. If you select the auto update option, and if you have a genuine license, then it will be automatically updated. But if you don't have license Windows, then you cannot take this avail this advantages of having a genuine Windows. Now let's move to the next point again. Now you don't need antivirus. See, antivirus software, uh, since I am using a very old laptop now, antivirus software slow down your system. So I have not installed antivirus. If you see, Windows as a inbuilt antivirus, that is Windows Defender. See, the you can see here, this is installed with latest virus definition. See, this is updated today only, and today is 28 March, and the latest security update 28 March has been already installed. See, if you are getting security updates from the OEM itself, then not to worry for any other threats. OEM, I mean to say, the Microsoft itself. They are the developer of the operating system. And at the same time, what I did, next thing, you see, ransomware protection is very important nowadays, and it is inbuilt with this Windows antivirus, that is Windows Defender. Somewhere I found it, somewhere, this ransomware protection, it should be showing here. This is the particular option. No action needed, since I have activated this also with my Microsoft account. And this iCloud, no, that is not iCloud, the OneDrive. Ransomware attack is very dangerous nowadays. You cannot retrieve your files, because your files are got encrypted with those encryption keys, and they used to send you some email with those keys. Whenever you pay the ransom, you get those keys from those particular hacker. So it's better to activate this feature. And for your assurance, I am telling you, I have tested with so many buggy softwares in this particular system. I had some softwares, very old softwares, those are already corrupted. I know, knowingly I have run those softwares in this particular system, but luckily none of the buggy software, corrupted software could crash this operating system. So this was my experience with this particular version of Windows. So to sum up again, let's see, if you want to make your Windows system faster, first you put an SSD, that is solid state drive, in place of your hard drive. But always consider a good quality hard drive with a good amount of read write speed. See, read write speed, you should always consider the read write speed. Then generally always go for a genuine Microsoft Windows operating system. And one more thing, if you have a older version of Windows and that was also registered with a Microsoft account, if you want to update, that license should be working. Already I have seen in an old computer, one of my friend, he upgraded his computer, but the old license worked in the newer version also. Then next time, activation. For activation, if you don't want to invest a lot of money for the Microsoft operating system, you can go for digital license, and you can buy from like lifetimekey.in or any other site. I took the risk, but it's totally up to your discretion whether you want to buy that software from Lifetime Key or not. Next you should always select the auto update option. Next, if your computer is very old enough, now you should not install any antivirus, because antivirus software slow down your system. Next, ransomware attack is very common these days, and you cannot undo this. If your important files get corrupted, you cannot undo retain your original files, because hackers, they will send you email asking money. Whenever you will pay him the money, then they will give you that decryption key. So this is a very lengthy process, and there's no guarantee that after paying the amount also you will be getting those decryption key or not. This is not foolproof. Probably this may be one way algorithm that you cannot retrospect whatever you had earlier. So leave it. Better to select this ransomware option, activate this ransomware option. And I am very much sure most of the antivirus software, they don't have this ransomware protection feature. You just mind it. So whenever, if you want to purchase antivirus also, always look for these features, whether that particular antivirus company is providing these features or not. See, I have already seen few of the computers, they have this ransomware attack, and believe me, you don't have any option to retrieve those files. Now, for your satisfaction and my satisfaction as well, I have already tested with some corrupted softwares, but fortunately none of the softwares could crash this genuine operating system. Now you can see the speed. Now giving you a demo of the speed of this system, now I am showing you how fast it is. Generally the browsers do not open in your old laptop so early. Now you can see this is quite faster. Now at the same time, this Adobe Photoshop, this is also starting so quickly. Considerably it is faster. So this is my small demonstration of my experience. I hope if you follow these steps, and if you have a old computer, and if you don't want to buy a new computer, and if you are not in a mood to buy a new computer, then you can use these steps to make your old laptops faster. So this is all for today. Hope we will meet again with some important topics and next time. Then see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching my video.